everyone, this is not designed to be everything you need to know for the variables lesson. It is designed to be an under 2-minute summary and a refresher so that before you jump into the homework, you know what you're supposed to be doing. So I want to talk about variables. Variables are usually indicated by letters. Most frequently, we use X, and they're placeholders, okay? They're just there to represent that we can plug something in, all right? So this X, if I say X equals 4, then we're going to plug a 4 in. If I say X equals 5, we're going to plug a 5 in. So X could be any single number. So if I say I have 3 plus X, okay, equals, I'm going to say question, okay? There are a lot of different values, an infinite number of values we could plug in for X. So if X equals 4, then we take that 4 and we plug it in for X. And 3 plus 4 then would equal 7 is what we're going to get. So when we asked to evaluate an expression for X equals 4, that means we plug that 4 in and see what we get. Okay? You could also do that with any operation. But real quick, I want to talk about multiplication, because multiplication is a little bit tricky. If you see something like 7y, what that means is we have 7 times y. Multiplication is one of those things that we don't always write in math, and sometimes we're just going to kind of smush it together. So if we evaluate this for y equals 6, then we're going to plug this in, 7 times 6, and we're going to get 42. And that's what you're looking at today, is a lot of plugging stuff in. And that's my 2 minutes. Go to the homework.